Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Genesis G70 vs Stinger full comparison. Pay attention and take notes as we examine engine options, ride quality, cabin ambience, and tech choices to figure out which car matches your priorities. I will explain real strengths and trade-offs with clear examples, and mention common ownership costs so you can weigh long-term value. Stay tuned, and I will walk you through each key area in plain language. In this video, I will compare Genesis G70 vs Stinger full comparison. Focus on the driving experience as we explore engine characteristics, torque curves, and how each car behaves in city and highway conditions. I will describe steering feedback, suspension tuning, and the trade-offs between sporty handling and ride comfort so you can imagine daily driving. By the end, you should understand which model most closely matches your performance priorities and lifestyle. In this video, I will compare Genesis G70 vs Stinger full comparison. If you are enjoying the content, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers shown make snacks and lunches simple when you are on the go between test drives, and they pack up neatly in a trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Genesis G70 vs Stinger full comparison. Consider cabin details as I describe seat support, trim materials, and how intuitive each infotainment system feels in daily use. I will note which model offers better standard safety tech and which options meaningfully improve comfort or convenience. Finally, I will touch on warranty and anticipated ownership costs so you can judge long-term value and budget accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.